It's post-match conference between Manwati Lions and Asante Kotoko. The game ended 1-1. What's your total overview of today's encounter?
Yeah, I think it was a very beautiful game, a very cagey encounter. Uh, both sides played very well throughout the 90 minutes. More or less like the patterns of play or the structure both teams came in looked very similar, trying to dominate the middle of the park, which either side did not allow. So eventually, I think we resorted to trying to play a little bit on the counter, trying to sit, get the ball, and then play the counter because we realized their centre backs were now trying to join the attack because they needed the second goal. So we saw the spaces behind them and then tried as much as possible to play those balls in there. I think we had some few occasions like that, but then we just didn't utilize our chances. So on the whole, I would say that it was a very beautiful game. Both teams, I think, sold Ghana football very well to the rest of the world.
Okay, Coach, it has always been very turning between Heart of Lions and Asante Kotoko. Are you impressed with today's result, and what does this result mean to you for the title chase?
Yeah, I think if you look at Heart of Lions, they are doing very well in the league. They are a very good side, very formidable side. They have very good defensive network. So it's very difficult for you to score. It is very difficult to score against them. So playing here, they having the 12th man, which is the fans, and we taking the lead and them coming back. And I mean, having a point here, I think it's okay. I mean, it's okay.
What word of is there any other question before I conclude? Coach, you are moving to Kumasi with a point. What word of encouragement do you have for your fans who were expectant of the three Kumasi points?
Yeah, we will tell them to still rally behind us. It wasn't an easy journey. We had to travel 9 hours to this place. I remember when we went into the dressing room and we were coming back the first half, when we were coming for the second half, Samba came to me telling me that the players are complaining they are tired because of the long journey. Yeah, so I want to tell them that we are coming home. They should come in their numbers, come and support us, and then that will serve as some sort of motivation for us. It will give us some energy to be able to deliver. We are going to play at Babayara, which is our home ground, so they should come in their numbers and we'll be ready to deliver.
Coach, thank you so much for your time and wish you all the best here in this game. Have a
Welcome.
safe game back to Kumasi.
Thank you.